Hello viewers and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. We continue to speak about what is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe. Dr. Walter Mzembi is continuously questioning sense about the agenda of Zimbabwe National Elders Council. This is a new council yagadzirwa nemukuru, and rumors are that this council is meant to try and bring mediation pane zvinenge zvaoma kana kuti muzanu-PF sezvo zvinhu zvisina kumira zvakanaka. The major questions being raised or asked by Dr. Walter Mzembi that how are they elders when their induction seemed to be on the liberation struggle or colonialism? How does one qualify as an elder? The criteria, who elects, selects them, and what is their role in our national socio-economic and political agenda as a nation? Then there is another moribund institution called the Presidential Advisory Committee, PAC. What happened to this lot assembled with lots of fanfare at some stage? And finally, Pollard, another appendix, or some would say the wisdom tooth that no one uses or needs, is gone away. So what use are these crowds to the real business of running a country in critical times such as these? These are valid questions being asked by Dr. Walter Mzembi. Look at it in this way. Imagine mari yese yakapiwa vakomana vePollard. Dai mari iyoyo yakavaka zvipatara, kana dai yakavaka zvikoro, dai tiri papise nyika. Imagine mari dzese dziri kutambiswa muchiunganidza tudhara tweso tuturi kureva nhema turi kutsvaka kudya utu, kana mari iyoyo yange yakashandiswa kuvaka zvikoro. Imagine where we would be as a nation. Imagine, guys. Saka uchaona kuti panyika pano tine vanhu vasiri serious neupenyu. We have people who are not serious about life. Hatina hurumende inoziva zvainoita. Hatina. When we have a serious government, we must see that government in terms of service delivery, in terms of the policies they are making. We must see them by whatever they are doing. Ndozviri kufanira kutiratidza kwatiri kuenda senyika. But ava vatina ava ndeve kungotaura badzi nekuunganidza vanhu seizvezvizvi. Hapana chimwe chinhu chinozikanwa. We have a problem. We have a serious leadership deficit right in Zimbabwe. So we have so many of them. PAC has failed. No advice was being taken. Pollard has failed. It contributed nothing. We have all these institutions being put together. Now we have what is called Zimbabwe National Elders Council. Who are these elders? Where do they come from? Why is it that there is no selection of elders from our villages? Who is bringing these elders onto the table? What is the agenda? What are they going to say about critical issues? What have they said about critical issues? We are being told about elders who are doing researches. We are being told about elders who are doing researches who don't know. Elders are the ones who must know history. Kana tichiti tiri kuenda kuhistory, tiri kuenda kunogara pasi nevakuru tichinzwa zvakaitika panguva yavaivapo isu tisipo. Manje, we have elders who are coming to research. That is nonsense. That is bullshit. Bullshit chaichayo. We have people who do not know what needs to be done with this economy. Who really have this and that, this and that, this and that, this and that. But anyway, true zvinetsa zvedu nechiorganization chiri kuiswa just in case zvinhu zvikashata. Mukuru anenge achida vanhu vanogona kuuya kuzonegotiate on his behalf, and you'll be told, no, I am elders enyika, they are respectable, so you have to negotiate, and they will be negotiating on behalf of their principal. Manje zvaonekwa, yabatwa, metsi yatsu yabatwa tsoro yacho. Mchaona kunowira utsvimbo nedowe. Tiri kuudza chokwadi. Tiri kuudza chokwadi, hazvimeke sense zvavari kuita. But everything comes everything goes. That day is coming. Hapana